All right, guys, we're going to be doing live technical analysis on Blast token. I'm going to hand it over to Crypto Poppy. Here we go.
All right, so we have Blast paired with the US dollar, weekly time frame. Oh my goodness, this is on Coinbase, and Anvil isn't on Coinbase. So here again, weekly time frame, we have our Fibonacci drawn from literally the day that, or the week that Blast was listed on Coinbase. So that is June 24th, 2024. And then again, now we're going to have to adjust it because our zero movement is our swing low movement. You know, that's irrelevant now. So let's unlock it and let's drag this baby down. Here, real quick, let me just do this just so it's easier for me to plot this. So our swing low is current price action. So our swing low is from March 29th, 2026. Lock it into place and let's take a look here. Even though I am extremely tempted to just delete the Fibonacci at this point because this is pointless.
Yeah.
The Fibonacci is relatively pointless, but I do like the 618, right? We have these two wicks here. Just touching it, we have a lot of support on the 236, and then our zero movement. Time will tell how good the zero movement is. We also have some overhead trend lines that are going to act as resistance. First touch point we have here, July 22nd, 2024. Second touch point we have here, December 2nd, 2024. We just have it extended out to the right. So hopefully sooner rather than later, we start to break above it before we just meet it, right? Because then we would just delete it. There's not much we could do there. Then we also did have a counter trend line, which is just now a trend line acting as resistance. Once we do start moving up to the upside, we could definitely potentially look to take profit at these points. Not financial advice, and not that I have any Blast token, but definitely would be a good spot to take profit in the future. So let's just take a look. I mean, we've just been moving sideways. We've just gradually, I mean, this isn't gradual. We had a big sharp movement to the downside. Then we gradually grinded sideways while moving to the downside, then just steadily moving to the downside. Looks like we're moving sideways currently, but extremely tight price action going on. These candle bodies aren't very big and these wicks aren't very big. So Blast, I don't know. Again, we look to the left, right? Zoom out and look to the left. That's what I always say. Zoom out, look to the left. We have no data for the current price action. So we would definitely have to look at a different data source than Coinbase. But with what we're doing right now, let's see, we're zero movement from current price to our trend line that's going to act as resistance. Oh my Lord, 482% movement to the upside from current price, which is our zero movement, up to our 236, which is 1,714%. I have to adjust my glasses. I wasn't expecting that from the zero movement to the 236. From current price up to our purple trend line, 2,840%. So you see here, it's just a huge upside potential on so many of these tokens, but don't get sold by the dream because, you know, look, if you're in Blast, if you're a Blast fanboy, don't look at just the Coinbase chart. Go back to see, go back to one where does this one start at again? This starts in June 24th, 2024. Go find other data providers. Go find where you could see the full chart since the token came out to see where price could potentially go. And is this current price 0.00043? Is this a great time to enter, or is there a lot more downside potential if you look to the left? Are there more candle bodies below when you zoom out and look to the left? If not, this is a great opportunity. Buy low, sell 2,000% higher. Beautiful. Hey, that gets my golden approval right there. But again, not financial advice. If this is a token you're dollar cost averaging in, I would definitely say, hey, keep trucking away, keep doing your thing, keep pulling that average price down. And one of these days it should be worth it. But again, not financial advice. I don't know very much about Blast, but that's all I've got for you today.
Okie dokie. All right, guys, that's that. Let me move this over. Okay. All right. So everything looks pretty much the same. So there's not much else to say about that coin. I know there's $25 million in the market cap. So there's still money in that coin. There's a lot of money going around. It's just a matter of seeing, can we pump that up, get some more numbers in there?